Video Plus, the ultimate channel for job aspirants and students. Okay, so this is my first video, and here in this video we will come to know regarding LCM and HCF of numbers. Okay, how to find out LCM and HCF. Many students and job aspirants uh, feels it very difficult for finding LCM and HCF in exams. Okay, so I'll explain you today the very easiest method which you can remember. Okay, uh, and use it in your exams. Okay, LCM and HCF. Kindly note down these two words. Okay, it will be useful in further course of video. Okay, so kindly note it down. Now, LCM and HCF. You have to memorize these two words by its elaborated form. Okay, by its extended form. Okay, LCM stands for lowest common multiple. Here, lowest common multiple. Okay, so you have to memorize these two words at any cost. Okay, if you can memorize these two words, it will be very easy for you to evaluate LCM. Okay, and HCF stands for highest common factor. Don't confuse these two words. Okay, most of the people confuses with the LCM and HCF. Okay, they used to tell LCF and HCF. So if you consider HCF as HCM, then your problem will not be solved. Okay, so you have to memorize these two words, these three words. Okay, so both are very important for exam purpose. In this video you will come to know how to calculate LCM in very easiest method. For knowing HCF method, you have to follow my next video. Now here comes LCM, lowest common multiple. Okay, so you have to understand these three words. Okay, so here first is from right hand side. We'll go from right hand side. Okay, multiple. Second one is common, and the last one is lowest. So you have to first find multiples, then evaluate common, and then evaluate the lowest one, which will be the lowest common multiple. Okay, now you can understand why you have to remember or memorize these three words, isn't it? Okay, so I'll take an example. Find LCM of 8 and 20. Suppose we have been given a question in the exam that you have to find out LCM of two numbers. Okay, here in this case I have taken two numbers as 8 and 20. Okay, I'll show you two methods for finding LCM. Okay, so I'll show you two methods. Method 1. Kindly follow following steps to evaluate LCM. Evaluate first 10 multiples of each number separately. Okay, you have been given two numbers, so you have to find out 10 multiples of both the numbers separately. Okay, first 10 multiples. Now I'll show you how to find out the multiples in very easiest way. Okay, here you can see 8 into 1 equal to 8, 8 into 2 equal to 16, 8 into 3 equal to 24, and so on. 8 into 10 equal to 80. Okay, and another number given is 20. So 20 into 1, 20 into 2, 20 into 3. Likewise, multiples of 20 are evaluated. Okay, now question may arise in your mind that how to find out multiples. Okay, that is very easy. Finding multiples is very easy. Okay, you know natural numbers, that is starting from 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, if you want any class regarding natural numbers, or what are numbers, what are the different numbers, natural number, prime numbers, number system, then kindly uh, comment in this video. Okay, I'll upload it for you. Okay, so here you can see I have multiplied 8 with all the natural numbers. Okay, and 20 with all the natural numbers. Okay, so I already evaluated the multiples of both the numbers. Okay, so what is that three words? What are LCM? Yeah, yeah, tell me. Yeah, that is from last side will understand. Okay, that is multiple. Yeah, multiple, right? Okay, so multiple, right? So, and next word is what? Common, right? So common, yeah, that is common. And the first word was what? Lowest, right? Yeah, just a minute, let me write it down. Yeah, lowest. Okay, so here we have already evaluated the first one, that is multiple. You can see in both the sides we have evaluated the multiples, right? Okay, now we have to evaluate what? The next word is common. So in both the sides, what are the common multiples? Here I have already made it in red color. This is 40. So 40 in both the sides. So 40 is one common multiple, right? 40. Okay, and another one is 80, right? In both the sides we can find 80. Okay, so what common multiples we have evaluated? That is 40 and 80. Okay, so common is already done, and our next step is lowest. So what is the lowest among the two? That is what? 40 is the lowest. So what will be our LCM? Lowest common multiple? Yes, 40 will be our LCM. Okay, so here you can see, kindly note, you have to evaluate multiples as long as at least two common multiples are obtained. Okay, you understand this line? Okay, yeah. Here I have evaluated only 10 multiples of each number. Okay, but you may have been given some more numbers, some big numbers. So there you may have to find out more multiples, like 12 multiples, 15 multiples. You have to find out multiples unless and until you got at least two common multiples. Why two? Why not one? Yeah, because you have to take the lowest one. So you cannot compare unless and until you have two options. So you have to find out at least two common multiples unless and until you got at least two common multiples from the given numbers. Okay, so the common multiples of 20 and 40 are 40 and 80. The lowest among the common multiple is 40. Hence, the lowest common multiple, that is LCM, between 8 and 20 is 40. Okay, so I think, yeah, you have understood the first method. Okay, you have got any, if you have got any confusion, kindly write in the comment. Okay, I'll clarify it. Okay, uh, so now I go to the second method, that is method 2. Here you will come to know another method for finding LCM. Many of you may find the second method easiest for you to remember. The method is very useful for big numbers or for a series of numbers. Okay, in my example, okay, I have taken example for two numbers, for finding LCM of two numbers. You may have been given finding LCM of 6 numbers. Okay, then the second method will be very easy for you. Okay, just have a look. Yeah, here I'll take the same example, the same number, that is 8 and 20. Below is the method to find out LCM. Divide each pair of numbers. Here I have written pair, okay, because I was given only two numbers, so I have given pair, but you may be given a series of numbers. Okay, so you have to divide each number with a common factor and then multiply all the common factors. Okay, so here 8 comma 20, okay, and then place an angle, okay, below here, below these numbers. Okay, then we have to find out the common factor by which we can divide both the numbers. So we'll start from 1. Okay, if we divide 8 by 1, it will be again 8, and if we divide 20 by 1, it will be again 20, so that will be of no use. So now I'll take 2. Okay, if we divide 8 by 2, it will be as 4, and divide 20 by 2, it will be 10. So we'll divide both the numbers with 2, and the result is 4 comma 10. Again we can divide both by 2, so the result will be 2 and 5. Now the question comes, how can we divide 2 and 5 with any common? Okay, if we divide it by 1, it will be evaluated same. If we divide it by 2, we cannot divide 5 by 2. If we take 3, we cannot divide both the numbers with 3. If we take 4, we cannot divide both the numbers with 4. If we take 5, we can divide only 5 by 5, but we cannot divide 2 by 5. So here the matter stops. Okay, now you have to take all the factors, is 2, 2, 2 and 5, and multiply the factors. Okay, here, okay, you can see multiply all the common factors. So LCM of 8 and 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 equal to 40. So your LCM is what? LCM is 40. Okay, you have understood? Okay, I think second method is will be easy for you, isn't it? Okay, okay, then both methods are easy. So the method which feels better for you, kindly remember it. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.